Good morning. We are continuing class 10 trigonometry exercise 8.4. Okay. So question number 1, prove that cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A equal to 1 by tan A plus cot A. To prove this one. Okay. So solution. Let me prove left hand side. Cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A. First you convert cos sec in terms of sine. Okay, clear no? So cosec theta equal to what? What is your 1 by sine theta? Here theta means A. Okay, theta means A here, minus sine A. Similarly, you convert sec A in terms of cos, which is 1 by cos A minus this cos A. Alright. Now take LCM. LCM is sin A. Sin A. Sin cancel, 1 remain, minus sin, no denominator here, so directly multiply LCM and this one. Sin into sin square A. Similarly, you take LCM here, cos A, 1 will remain, minus cos into cos square A. We know that 1 minus sin square theta equal to cos square theta. Theta means A by sin A into 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta. Okay, by this cos A. 1 cos A, 1 cos you can cancel, 1 sin you can cancel. So what remain? Cos A into sin A. This is your left hand side. Okay, again need to prove right hand side. Right hand side also equal to solution. Right hand side now 1 by tan A plus cot A. First you express tan and cot in terms of sin and cos. Alright. So how will express? We know that tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Theta means here A. Okay. Again we know cot theta equal to, we know that cot theta means here A equal to cos theta by sin theta. Alright. Take LCM in the denominator, it is cos into sin. So it is cos A sin A the LCM. Alright. If you divide this LCM by this cos A, cos will cancel, sin will remain, sin into sin square theta. Theta means here A. Again if you divide this LCM by this sin denominator, sin will cancel, cos will remain, cos into cos square A equal to 1 by, we know that sin square A theta plus cos square theta, that means sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1 by cos A into sin A. So if you take convert, divide into multiplication, your denominator is to go up. That means it will become like this, cos A sin A. Okay, therefore left hand side equal to right hand side, hence proved. Number 2, prove that 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A equal to 1 minus tan A by 1 minus cot A whole square equal to tan square A. That means you have to prove this equal to tan square A and this equal to tan square A. Okay, so how to prove? Let me show you solution. 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A. First we know that formula 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. Yes, theta means A. Okay, remember 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec. Formula is there, cosec square theta. Here theta means A. Again you express sec in terms of cos and cosec in terms of sine. Okay, we know that sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta. Theta means here a by cosec square theta means 1 by sine square theta. Okay, so 1 by cos square a into, if you convert divide into multiplication, your denominator will go up and then numerator will become denominator. Okay, like this. Multiply sine square 1 the sine square a, cos square 1 the cos square a. Okay, we know that sine theta by cos theta equal 10 theta, but it is square, so it write like this: sine square theta by cos square theta equal to 10 square theta. So first part we have proved, and it is given like this: 1 minus 10a by 1 minus cot a whole square. So what we'll do, how we'll do second part. 1, you convert 10 in terms of sine and cos, so it will become like this: sine a by cos a 1 minus cot theta means cot a you convert in terms of sine and cos, so it will become cos a by sine a whole square, this one. Okay, you take LCM in the numerator like before, cos, so cos is the LCM. Here no denominator, so cos 1 the cos a minus this sine will remain sine a. Okay, similarly in the denominator, so LCM take sine a, no denominator here, so directly sine a 1 the sine a minus cos a will remain as it is, whole square. Next step. Okay, next step you see that cos a minus sine a by this cos a into the sign will go up. If you convert divide into multiplication, your denominator is to become numerator and numerator becomes denominator. So sine a minus cos a. Okay, so now we'll arrange a little bit. We'll arrange like this. Okay, see, we'll write this one: sine a by this cos a, arranging into this cos a. Cos a minus sine a by this one minus cos, I'm writing first. Okay, minus cos a plus this sine a. Okay, then next we know that sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta. Okay, then from here you take minus common. If you take minus common, let me show you. Cos a minus sin a, it will remain as it is. Take this minus common. If you take minus common, okay, so it will remain it will become cos a minus taken, so this plus will become minus sin a. Okay, whole square. Clear now? This cancel, here one remain. What will remain? Plus into minus minus, see, plus into minus minus 10a whole square. Understood now? Plus into minus minus. So power or even number 2. So if power is even, your negative is to become positive if when you remove the bracket. So 10 square a. Okay. So what you got? Before also you got 10 square a, now also you got 10 square. So how will that? Therefore 1 plus 10 square a by 1 plus cot square A equal to 1 minus tan A by 1 minus cot A whole square equal to tan square A. Hence proved. Okay. Question number 3 and today's last question. Okay. Prove that sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 equal to 1 by sec theta minus tan theta using the identity sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. So how to prove? Let me show you solution. Left hand side. Sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. We have to express this one first in terms of secant tan. Okay, so what you'll do, you divide both the numerator and denominator by cos. Okay, like this, sin theta by cos theta minus cos theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta. You have to divide both the numerator and denominator by cos. Okay, so sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by cos theta minus 1 by cos theta. Okay, the cos cancel, here 1 remain, this cos cancel, 1 remain. Okay, we know that sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta minus this 1 plus 1 by cos theta equal to sec theta. Sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta plus this 1 minus 1 by cos theta equal to sec theta. Now see, one very important step. Here it is 1 by sec theta minus tan theta given. Okay, so when it is 1 by, your numerator will remain as it is. You have to apply formula in the denominator. So how? Let me show you. Just I can arrange this one like this: tan theta plus sec theta minus 1. Just arranging. Okay, and here apply formula like this: tan theta minus suppose sec theta, then plus 1. Alright, numerator you keep as it is, sec theta minus 1, sec theta, tan theta minus sec theta plus, in place of 1, in place of this one you write sec square theta minus tan square theta, because sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1 formula is there. Okay, numerator you keep as it is, tan theta, okay, minus sec theta, sorry not minus, plus sec theta minus 1. Denominator is just I'm arranging again, minus sec theta, let me write first, then this is your plus tan theta. Okay, plus formula a square minus b square, this is in the form of a square minus b square, so formula will be like this: a plus b. Okay, I don't have enough space here, so into, I'm writing here into a minus b. B means your tan theta. You understood? A plus b into a minus b. Okay, here no space, that's why I'm writing here. So numerator will remain as it is. Okay, numerator will remain as it is, tan theta plus sec theta minus 1, and from the numerator first you take minus sign common, sorry, from the denominator you take minus common, so it will become sec theta minus tan theta. Okay, and then plus sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta. Okay. Now what common you can take in the denominator? You see what common you can take in the denominator? Tan theta plus sec theta minus 1. What common you can take? Sec theta minus tan theta. Here sec theta minus tan theta. We can take common, no? Sec theta minus tan theta you take common. Okay. What will remain here? You see, this is minus, so minus will remain. Here nothing remain here. Nothing remains. So 1 will remain. This plus sign plus. Then here sec theta then plus tan theta will remain. Okay, because this one taken out common. Understood, no? Sec theta minus tan theta, sec theta minus tan theta taken out common, minus minus, nothing remain here, 1 remain, plus plus, then this remain. Okay, sec theta plus tan theta plus sec theta minus 1, tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 is same, you can cancel, 1 remain here, so it is equal to 1 by sec theta minus tan theta equal to right hand side, hence proved. Okay, and this is the